today, beauty vlog naman ang gagawin natin. So recently, umuwi yung husband ko sa Philippines. So I was able to buy the lip tints from Arcadia Beauty. Napanood ko kasi yung review ni Mama Ann Klutz, and because of that review, nainganyo ko na i-try din siya. Ito na siya, and I was able to buy this from the Philippines kasi recently umuwi yung husband ko sa Philippines. So I was able to buy this in Lazada. Pinadeliver ko lang doon, and syempre pagbalik niya dito last weekend, dala-dala niya na. Yun nga lang, I only have 4 because na out of stock yung Harmony. Ito, buksan na natin. Talagang pinipigilan ko talaga yung sarili ko na gamitin to because I want to do a review. So maganda, naka-bubble wrap pa siya nung deliver. Yan. So I have total of 4 shades. 4 yung nabili ko. So yan siya. I have the 4 shades except the Harmony because by the time na pinlace ko yung order, nag-out of stock na siya. I think it's really a beautiful shade kaya ang bilis niya ma-out of stock, and I even asked the seller, nag-message ako sa Arcadia Beauty account, and they don't know when Harmony will be restocked. Ganun pa man, I still have the 4 shades which are Divine, Bliss, Serenity, and Pristine. So, unahin natin yung lightest to darkest. We'll be opening up the first shade, which is Bliss. This tint contains 4 ml. Yan, ganyan siya. 4 ml. It's called the Daily Lip Tint. It has beta-glucan and manuka leaf honey. Interesting. So it's, yan, nakalagay lahat. Paraben-free, vegan, gluten-free, sulfate-free, and cruelty-free. Excited na ako. So this is their packaging. Dito may nakalagay na Daily Lip Tint, Arcadia Beauty. Okay. Again, this is the shade Bliss. Naglagay lang ako ng minimal makeup for this review. Let's try the first shade. Again, this is Bliss. Hindi ko na siya i-shade sa ano I'm going to put it directly on my lips. May pagka-minty flavor siya. So, kung kailangan mo siyang i-shake, very subtle lang yung kulay niya. Or dahil baka this is the coral pink. First layer. Try ko maglagay ng isa pang layer. Ayan. Okay. And totoo nga yung review ni Mama Ann Klutz na malambot siya sa lips. Malambot. Yung long time na ginagamit ko is this Vice Cosmetics. And gustong-gusto ko siya. The Water Gel Lip and Cheek Tint. Gustong-gusto ko siya. Pero since no umuwi ako ng December and out of stock siya, I was not able to hoard. So, buti na lang naglabas si Arcadia Beauty. Okay, so this is Bliss with two layers. Let's do a kiss test. Wala siya masyadong stain. Yan. So that is Bliss try natin tanggalin ha. Maglagay na lang tayo ng konting foundation para mag-lighten up. Serenity, which is a bright warm pink, and it's made in Korea. So this is the packaging of Serenity. Shake muna natin kasi yung kanina parang hindi nag-pay off nung first layer. Konting shake lang. Oh. Okay, so that is first layer. I think I like this shade better. Patuyuin lang natin ng konti. Then we put another layer. Ang sarap niya i-glide sa lips, guys. Meron siyang minty flavor pero hindi naman siya overpowering. And I like it. So matte finish siya. You can put on lip gloss. So this is called Serenity. And it's a warm bright pink, and I like it. So Pristine is a warm, dark, dusty pink. Also, it's still a pink shade. So this is Pristine. Minimal lang yung ano niya, transfer. I don't know if matatanggal ko siya. Tissue lang yung pinatatanggal ko, ha. Then I will just put konting foundation para ma-lighten up lang. Para nag-iiwan siya ng stain. Shake. Okay, so this is ready for Pristine. Okay guys, so this is Pristine. First layer. Medyo reddish na siya. First layer. You can use this for date nights. Or kung everyday ka rin nagre-red, why not, diba? Pero mas everyday itong dalawa. Si Bliss and si Serenity. Mas pang everyday siya. But why not? Use a red when you are so comfortable, diba? It gives you empowerment. Empowerment! Okay, let's do a second layer. this is the second layer of Pristine. Okay, so we've come to our last shade, which is Divine, and it's a burgundy red. I-try ko lang ulit tanggalin. May konti namang natatanggal, pero yun nga. Ang maganda sa kanya, nag-iiwan siya ng tint. Nag-iiwan talaga ng tint. Oh, medyo dark na talaga siya. This is the darkest shade. Again, let's shake it a bit. Ito yung applicator niya pala, guys. And it's like the normal applicators. Oh. So this is Divine in first layer. It reminds me of the Maybelline, the vinyl ink. Hahanapin ko yung shade. Ipopost ko na lang dito. Burgundy red din. Let's do a second layer. This is the second layer of Divine. I think tumurno siya sa damit ko. Yung Pristine, may pagka reddish pa siya. Pero ito, talagang dark burgundy. Pero it is also wearable. Hindi siya yung very heavy na color. And it suits me also. At bumagay pa siya sa damit ko. Since ito yung darkest shade, let's do a kiss test. Wala masyadong transfer pag natuyo na siya. And I think nagsistay siya sa lips. So since ito na yung last na nilagay ko, ito na yung i-wear test ko rin. But I like it. So far, I like how it glides. I love the scent. It's not overpowering. Minty siya na hindi overpowering. Tapos, hindi rin siya masyadong cooling sa lips, but it's very light on the lips. So, I'll see you later for the wear test. Test na tayo. Medyo kumukulay siya sa spoon. But that's okay. Wala siyang taste. And it feels like wala akong nilagay sa lips, pero nakaka-smooth, nakaka-soften siya ng lips. Wala namang masyadong nag-transfer sa spoon. Tapusin ko na lunch ko, guys, and I'll be back. this is what it looks like after kumain. Tingnan natin sa mirror. In fairness, nandun pa rin yung tint niya. Nandun pa rin yung tint niya. Nag-stay yung tint niya. Unlike dun sa Vice, once kumain ako, wala na siya. So ito, in fairness, masabaw pa yung kinain ko and nag-iiwan siya ng stain and that is good. Let's talk about the price point. Okay. Nabili ko siya for 499 pesos each sa Lazada. Compared to the usual na ginagamit ko, which is like 100 or 200. I think malaki din naman ang difference niya. I mean, hindi naman nag-claim si Arcadia ng transfer proof ng longevity. Pero first time ko siyang na-try and I can say na it is worth it. It is worth it. If bibili niyo siya sa Pilipinas, it's 499 each. Pero kung bibilhin niyo siya dito sa Singapore, it retails for $20.99, which is like double the price. Kasi ngayon ang palitan na is 43, di ba? So, just do the math. Pero, kung may friends kayo na uuwi ng Pinas, like what I did, umuwi yung husband ko sa Pinas last week, so I ordered it through Lazada PH. And, nakuha ko yung retail price niya. Pero kung dito kayo sa Singapore and ma-order niyo naman siya sa Shopee, yun nga lang, it's double the price. For me, having tried this, natuwa ako sa kanya. Gusto ko siya and I think magagamit ko to for a long time. I mean, hindi naman ako bumibili lagi ng mga lip tints. Actually, nag-hoard ako as stock. Ini-stock ko siya kasi gusto ko laging may somewhat color yung lips ko kahit nagbabike ako, kahit sa bahay, lalo pag umaalis and may mga pupuntahang events or parties, somehow naglalagay lang ako ng konti just to have a color, just to add on color to my face, diba? Ayun, kahit hindi ako mag-makeup, basta may lip tint ako, I'm okay for everyday. So that's it, guys. I think magre-retouch na ako. Although meron pa namang ang stain, since naka-red tayo ngayon, I think I will retouch with Pristine. I think kailangan nyo siyang i-shake. For me, kasi parang yung first swipe ko kanina is medyo watery. Again, that's one layer. And ang gagawin ko, if you have events, if you have something special and gusto mo ito lang, you can put on lip gloss. You can just put on lip gloss and you're good to go. So, papatungan ko lang siya nitong Fenty lip gloss. And that's it. You're good to go. Good to party. So ayun lang, guys. Layer. Don't be afraid to layer your lipstick. Basta kung saan ka masaya. Kung saan mo mafe-feel na ikakaganda. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and I would highly recommend this lip tint, especially for everyday use. Arcadia Beauty Daily Lip Tint, as what it says, it's for daily use. They are buildable. Nasa sayo kung ilang layers ang gusto mo, but it feels so light and parang wala ka lang nilagay. But it gives you that color. Yun yung importante. The color payoff is very good. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching and I'll see you on my next video. Bye!